shows the battery being
Dead?
dead.
Well, I left it plugged in last night, and just before I went to bed, the red light disappeared, so okay.
So when you want to do any recording in a vehicle, make sure it's
Plugged in.
But that charger did you try to charge it in the,
No, just
with
from
that
the USB.
charger?
From the USB directly to the...
well, maybe you need to charge it in the charger
may have
instead
to.
of in the,
Might have to do it that way.
got most of it coming back yesterday, I thought. Didn't we?
I don't know. I can't remember. I think it shut off again. I don't.
yeah,
We might have got it. I don't know. I didn't watch it back last night to see what all I had. So. Yeah, you can.